The topic of today's video is how to connect Landr to YouTube. Now this isn't exactly difficult, it's just very time consuming. So here we are on Landr's homepage, and luckily for us, Landr has changed up the way this works. So what you want to do is go to the distribution tab. Once you're in here, you want to go to tools and then YouTube official artist channel. Now in here, they outline it very clearly for you. However, there are a few things that I want to outline from my personal experience, not with Landr, but with Songtradr. So let's see what the requirement is here. So you already manage a YouTube channel for your artist. So if you don't have a YouTube channel as an artist or for the artist that you're managing, you need to make one and make it with the artist name, make it with the same email address, make sure that everything matches up with your Landr and so forth, so that it's much easier to verify that this is actually you trying to claim this profile. Well, it's step 2. Yes, that the channel names must match your artist name. Then we have number 3 here. The channel must primarily feature music from one artist or band, and they say here the YouTube channel must have at least one public video related to one of your Landr releases. Now what I noticed that they don't mention here, and maybe this has changed from the years ago that I've done it, is you need to have at least released 3 songs that are going to go onto the YouTube topics channel. So once you release something for the first time, it all goes to that YouTube topics channel, which is a separate channel from your actual YouTube channel, and you want everything to be combined. Even if you have a Vivo channel, they'll combine it all together. So 3 releases on your new channel that you make, or your channel that you have, at least one release that sort of, or one video that sort of correlates with what your Landr releases look like. And again, from my understanding, shorts do not count. Again, a lot of these things could have changed, and that's just why they don't mention it here. So Landr has taken the DistroKid approach here, and all you need to do is type in your artist name over here, and they'll sort out the rest and get back to you via email. This does take some time, guys. This can take easily 2 to 3 months before your channel is actually approved. Make sure you don't have any YouTube violations on your actual YouTube channel, otherwise you will not be approved. And if you end up waiting too long, you can always email Landr support and just ask for some feedback on how far the process is. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.